Hey, Bonnie Lee here on the Riverside Debussy in one of my, call me crazy, but one of my favorite areas, which is the guest laundry. Did I just say the laundry area on the ship is my favorite part? Scratch that, not true, and I am not crazy. But this is self-service. I love it because when I travel with carry-on only. And if you're traveling with carry-on only and you're gonna be gone a week, you are gonna wanna be able to do laundry. Of course, the ship has laundry service you can use, but if you like to just do your own laundry, here you go. 2 washing machines, 2 dryers, a full area to press if you would like. They've got a steamer up top here. Now, I'm not certain why someone would wanna watch TV when you're in here. I'd probably want to go upstairs and watch the scenery. Ooh, that just gave me an idea for a quick, fun 3-question survey. You're waiting for your laundry. What would you rather do? Number 1, wait in the laundry room and watch TV. Number 2, go up to the sky deck. Enjoy the destination as it floats by, maybe a glass of wine, a mocktail, or a cocktail. Or number 3, go to the bistro, have a bubble waffle with some whipped cream sprinkles and a cappuccino. Which of those 3 would you rather do? Please pop your answer in the comments below. I know what I'd be doing, but I don't want to influence your vote. So, guest laundry. Do it yourself in the Debussy or have the staff pamper you and do your laundry. Want to see other ships and other laundry rooms? There you go.